Good morning. Welcome to your Wednesday, February 7th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have a warm front that is just off to our south, and we did have a surface trough move through the area this morning. It did bring some light showers to the Wallops area, some showers to our north, as well as some areas of ice, some light icing occurring off to our north in western Wycomico County and Dorchester, but really not much to be concerned about there. But this morning we'll have increasing cloudiness across the region. This warm front will be moving through the area later this morning to the early afternoon, and then we'll be followed by a cold front. So we'll have an active weather pattern today with chances for showers throughout the afternoon and into this evening, with rain showers tapering off just before midnight tonight. So a likely scenario of rainfall as we head into this afternoon. Current radar and satellite imagery, again, just showing an increase in cloudiness. We do have areas of icing and mixed precipitation well off to our northwest. Not expecting any of that here in the local area, as temperatures are going to be well above normal today. Expecting our high temperatures to reach up into the mid-50s today before we start to see some of that rainfall really begin to pick up over the local area. Winds will also be increasing. Currently they're east-northeasterly right now, but they will be shifting more to a southerly direction as we head into the later portions of this morning, and eventually shifting southwesterly and picking up. And we're expecting to see wind advisory criteria as we get past the noontime hour today. So currently here at Wallops, we had few at 3,000, broken at 7,500, broken at 10,000, and broken at 25,000 as of 8 a.m. A wind direction of 70 with a wind speed of 6 knots this morning, and then a temperature of 43 degrees with a relative humidity of 89%. For the next 24 hours, we're going to have some fairly active weather once we get past the noontime hour. As you can see right now, we have easterly winds at 5 to 10 knots, and then shifting more southerly at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 23 knots. That'll be occurring mainly after 10 a.m. this morning, and winds picking up after that. Right after the noontime hour, southerly winds 12 to 17 knots, gusting to 25 knots, and that should be the predominant wind, shifting more southwesterly as we go throughout the early portions of this afternoon. Rain chances will also be picking up after 12 p.m. as we'll see some light to moderate rainfall, temperatures in the mid-50s. Again, that's unseasonably warm, as typically for this time of year we have high temperatures in the lower to mid-40s. Winds will steadily increase after 4 p.m. Southwesterly 13 to 18 knots, gusting to 26 knots with rainfall likely, with rain likely continuing into the evening hours. And we'll start to see just a slight decrease in the winds right before a cold front will be moving through the area, and then pick up right as that front moves through the area northwesterly at 14 to 19 knots, gusting to 29, and rain showers should begin to taper off right as that cold front moves through and just behind it. So right now it looks like that rainfall should be coming to an end right around 10 to 11 o'clock this evening. Just going to be some light showers just lingering in the area at that time. The moderate rainfall is mainly going to be confined to this afternoon and early evening. After midnight, temperatures will be dropping off quite dramatically. As you can see, temperatures dropping down into the lower 30s by 4 a.m. Then we should average out around a low of 29 degrees by tomorrow morning, and winds still remaining fairly brisk northwesterly at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 22 by about 8 a.m. Tomorrow morning under partly cloudy skies. For our day on Thursday, it will be mostly sunny, slightly breezy, and unseasonably cold with high pressure building into the region. We'll have a high of 37 degrees. Thursday night, high pressure settles over the area, but we'll have light onshore winds. Should help to keep the temperatures up just a tad. Mostly clear and cold with a low of 27 degrees, which is rather seasonable. And then for Friday, partly cloudy and seasonable with a high of 47 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.